Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends, I will show with you how to verify your Printify account. So guys, after logging your account, scroll down, go to your account. From account, go to setting. When you go to setting, look for this option, login details. Click on get verification email and click this icon and go directly in your email guys, and then you will verifications email successfully. This is how you can do guys. You make sure you see this button, please verify your registration email address and click get verification. This is how we can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content. You see this option guys, as you can see, get verification email. Thanks again guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content. And any question guys down below in the comment, and I will try answer your question as soon as possible. And this is guys to verification your email address.